This video you are going to see how to screenshot on Samsung Galaxy. So in the latest One UI version, there is the sound button and main power button. If you keep tapped on it together, there will be a screenshot. And the other one is you have to do a hand gesture to the left, to the right to left, like with the palm of your hand. And once I do it, there is a screenshot that is opened. So here you can edit your screenshot from here, make it crop, and also you can draw anything on it with, yeah. And once you are done, just tap on this icon and it will be saved. So yeah, this is how you can take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.